You guys, I have a confession to make. It's been like a whole year since I've broken a guitar string. So I figured in today's video, I'd teach you how to restring a guitar. So without further ado, I'll meet y'all downstairs. I forgot to mention that before we start the process, you're gonna need a new set of strings. Duh. And you're also gonna need wire cutters. That's what they're called. All right, so here's the guitar. As you can see, you're going to want to find a kitchen table / coffee table or anything with a lot of surface area to just lay your guitar flat on. So you're also going to need something to prop the neck up as well here. As you can see, I've got some shorts right here because it's winter and I live in the Midwest. So, you know, just before you get started, you just basically got to loosen this using the nut. Move the tuning peg towards you till just loosen it till you get a lot of slack. Pretty much when it's like this. And then you can just cut the wires, you know, pretty much along the body. You always want to loosen it beforehand because if you just go in and cut this, like the string will just snap back. It can hit you in the face, so because I have had that happen to me before when a string broke on me. All right, so once you've cut it at the base of the body and you loosened it all the way, you can go ahead and just pull this string right out from the tuning head right there. So don't forget to pull out this bass string either. So you can just simply take it out of the socket like this, and all you got to do is simply push this through, and there should be a ball end right here. And ta-da! It's that simple. It is worth mentioning that this is like a standard bridge. It's not a floating bridge. If you are trying to restring a guitar with a floating bridge, my condolences. Sending good vibes your way. Moment of silence for all those that got to restring a Floyd Rose today. Okay, I'd say that's enough. You can go ahead and open up your package of strings now. Here's that string. And so here it is, right here. Unwind it like so. Sometimes they're color-coded. The balls on the strings are color-coded to let you know which ones go in which of these. Okay, so these are not color-coded. That's why they're labeled. You just simply thread it through, grab it, and then, you know, with this, you just kind of just thread it along. Put it through the tuning pegs like so. You just want to make sure you leave, you know, a lot of slack. And so at this point, you're going to want to go ahead and turn this thing up perpendicular. So you're going to want to kind of hold it with your thumb and your fingers at the bottom right here like so. You want to tighten it enough so that it's got, you know, about 2 or 3 winds. But now at this point, you want to make sure that the string you've put it in are going to be in the right sockets along the bridge over here as well as in the headstock. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the string and you're going to want to kind of stretch it a little bit. You don't have to be gentle with it at all. And the reason why you stretch the string so much is so that as you tighten this, it'll stay in tune. So basically with every wind, you just want to keep stretching it. Only posers leave the ends dangling. And there you have it, guys. It's as simple as that. Obviously, you just simply rinse and repeat for the next 5 strings. And for those of you wondering, oh, but what about 7 or 8 strings? I have news for you. Your guitar has too many strings, but also I'm not a gent god.